There's still a misconception out there that when you're replacing or renovating your staircase that you actually need to remove your existing Newel post. Well, that's not the case. See, in front of me today I have our Newel post cladding sets. Now, these do come in different sizes to accommodate your Newel post, and what they consist of is 4 pieces of this angle moulding, which is solid oak. You get your solid oak Newel post cap, and you get these MDF oak veneered pieces. Now, you do get 4 of these, but 2 of them are larger than the other 2, and this is for a simple reason, and let me show you. You see, when you're cladding your existing Newel post, you take this one here that's 90 by 90. You put the 2 smaller pieces around the Newel post, which are actually the same size as the post itself, and then you add the bigger pieces over the top to overlay it, making sure that that post is even. And then you touch it up with your angle moulding, which just fits around the side there. And there you have it. See what you've done there? You've saved a bit of money and you've still got the same effect. You've still got that natural oak effect on your staircase. So yeah, check out our cladded Newel post sets today.